To reset your oil life on your 2017 GMC Sierra, you will need to use the right control pad on your steering wheel, like the one you see here. If you don't already have an oil life info page on your cluster, then you will need to add that page. To do so, click left on the pad to show your menu options. Click the down arrow till you see a gear that says Options. Click the check mark to enter. Now you will navigate up or down until you see info pages. Click right on the pad to show all your active info pages. Everyone with a check mark will show up on the cluster. Scroll down until you see Oil Life, then press the check mark to add it to your page. If there is any other info pages you would like to add, now would be the time. To exit, click left on the pad and go back to the top where it says Info and press the check mark on your pad. This will bring you to the main info page. Scroll up or down until you see your Oil Life page. Click right and select Oil Life Reset. It will then ask you if you are sure you want to reset. Press the check mark to reset the oil life back to 100%. This is how you navigate and reset your oil life on your truck. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.